Hey everybody, it's Angie from Trips with Angie, and today I am reviewing a shore excursion in St. Lucia. We booked this on the Celebrity Edge when we visited the port of Castries. It's the Taste of St. Lucia and chocolate making workshop. So let's take a look at our day. We met pierside in the port of Castries. Then our group of 30 split into two groups of 15 to board the buses. We arrived about 35 minutes later at Howelton Estate. There were 25 steps down to the house where the workshop took place. Our stations were all set up upon arrival, and they had terrific views. We had our own stations with the cocoa nibs, cocoa butter, and powdered sugar, and we got to grinding. The class took about 45 minutes, and when we were done with all the grinding and stirring, our chocolate was poured into individual molds to go into the refrigerator. It took about an hour to finish the chocolate making process, so you could purchase a beer or a soda, water, or rum punch was included. Then out came the chocolate into these beautiful little bars. We did not wait to eat ours. We headed about 5 minutes away to Pink Plantation, which is this beautiful tropical garden, absolutely gorgeous. And Chewy gave us this wonderful education about all the different fruits that are grown in St. Lucia. We had a beverage and two snacks. Now, the group was a little big at that point, but overall we had a terrific day and I would recommend this excursion.